So I wanted to update you. I know I didn't have an update last week because I was waiting for the windows to get in. But first of all, 2 weeks ago I showed you we were covered with snow. Today, it's absolutely gorgeous out. It's supposed to be 80 this week. Not a whole lot other than the windows are all in. We had to order some custom sizes for the sliders and tempered glass for the bathrooms. Electrical and plumbing passed their rough-in inspections, so that's a great piece of news. I finished patching in the floor. There's some gaps and things that'll get filled in when we sand, but originally there had been a wall right here and we wanted to give ourselves more room, so I patched in all of this flooring. Tried to stagger the seams as much as possible. You know, some of them meet out here, some of them are closer to here, and we try to stagger them as much as possible. But somebody looking really closely will be able to tell that this has all been patched in, but most people won't even notice. And once we sand everything down, it'll all fill in the gaps and be pretty seamless. So here are the windows that we got. These are all new sliders. JUDY. I like them. I've installed those before. Shower pan is in. All set in mortar like it's supposed to be. So a big heavy guy like me can stand in there and have no creaks. So like I said, we passed the plumbing and electrical inspections. Floor patch is done. The windows just arrived today. So this week we'll be patching those in, and hopefully next week the progress will be a lot more substantial.